Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to Elbow Falls, which is like a waterfall. I said I was going there in yesterday's video, which I just ended today. It's weird, but it snowed a lot last night. So hopefully the roads aren't bad. If it gets too bad, we'll have to come back, but pretty sure we're going. So.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see
I just arrived home. My parents went to they dropped me off, and then they are going to the grocery store to get stuff for supper because we are having nachos. So it's just me and the dog. Chase. Yep. Just me and him here. Me and my dog Chase. Over. You're pretty cute. You're kind of gross right now. Your hair's kind of long. Chase, you kind of look homeless right now. Yeah, yawn. Yawn. You were probably asleep the whole time we were gone, and you're still yawning somehow. You want to tell me how that's possible? I don't know. Anyways, my feet are still cold from walking around. It's crazy. It looks so nice there, though. It's worth it. Like the little waterfall. The Calgary flood, if you did hear that, it was pretty big. It messed up that place. Like, there's picnic tables and rocks. There's picnic tables like under rocks, like stuck in them and stuff. 'Cause it flooded everywhere there, and it looks like a disaster zone. I don't know if you got that from the video, from where I was, but yeah. Every year, the waterfall is gonna get smaller until it's rapids. That's what the sign said there, because it's eroding away. But yeah, so got to see it while it's there. I wonder if that'll ever happen to Niagara Falls. Eventually it has to erode away. So that's how erosion works. Science. This is a really long clip. I'll see you after. I'm gonna go play Xbox. I'm tired. I was up till 2 in the morning. Usually I get 10 hours of sleep because it's winter break. I only got 6 or 7. I don't know. But anyways, I'll see you after. And it's gonna transition right to the next clip, which is right